Have you run into the problem of not being able to open TTA files on your Mac? Do you keep getting this error? Well, no problem. You can still listen to your music files with WALTR PRO. This app is super awesome and easy to use. I'm just going to drag this file that I cannot open into the conversion slot inside the app. And it's that fast. Here's the converted file, one which I can natively play on my Mac. And of course, you can drop either of these files into your Apple Music through this slot. But that's for another video. And don't forget, there are other features to WALTR PRO, such as being able to push files while also converting them to your other Apple devices, such as iPad and iPhone. So, where do you get WALTR PRO? It's by these guys, Softorino. Head over to their website, softorino.com. Under Products, press WALTR PRO. Here's the download button, and the license is very affordable. You might as well check out their universal license because all of their apps are awesome. We just talked about WALTR PRO. There's Folder Colorizer for Mac, which I'm using in my desktop, iRing for my iPhone, and much more even for Windows, with more coming later this year. So head over to softorino.com and make sure you stop by the Learn How button to learn how you can help stop the war in Ukraine. Thanks for watching.